Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's videos I will show you how to fix Dell monitor's USB port. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please press the subscribe button below. And let's try to get at least 30 likes on this video. You can see that I have a Dell monitor and it got two USB port at the side, which is really cool. But for some reason, when I plug in my USB on this USB ports, my USBs are not registering. And the reason for that is because when I connected my system with this Dell monitor, I connected via HDMI cable, which cannot transfer the data to the monitor. So in order to transfer the data, we have to connect the monitor with our CPU using the SS cable. What is SS? SS is super speed USB cable, which is being provided by Dell in the packaging box of this monitor. So we can see this is the SS cable, this is the SS port. SS is mentioned over here. Okay, so what is this cable? This cable has got one end which is exactly like a USB and the other port which is a SS port. So one side of this cable will go at the back of your CPU, that is the USB, and one side, that is this one, this port, will go at the back of your monitor. So once we have done that, we will be able to get our USB working. So thank you guys for watching our video, and please like and subscribe to our channel. And I have provided deals link in the description of this video, so if you want to buy the monitor, you can directly purchase the monitor using those links. Thank you.